In this video, you will master percentages with real-world examples. We will be looking at how percentages are used in discounts, taxes, tips, and grade calculations. A percentage is a way to express a number as a fraction of 100. The word percent comes from the Latin phrase percentum, which means by the hundred. So the percentage symbol is equal to per 100. Let's visualize what a percentage actually means. Imagine you have a grid of 100 squares. If 25 of those squares are filled, this represents 25%. In other words, 25 out of 100 is 25%. Here's the basic formula for converting a value to a percentage. You divide the part by the whole, and then multiply by 100. This gives you the percentage. Here's an example in Python. We have two variables, part is equal to 25, whole is equal to 100. Percentage is equal to part divided by whole, multiplied by 100. Printing this will give you the result 25.0%. Let's look at a real-world example, discounts. Suppose you see an item with 20% off, and the original price is $100. This means you save $20. To calculate this, you find 20% of $100, which is 0.20 times $100, giving you a discount of $20. The final price is $100 minus $20, which equals $80. Another real-world example is sales tax. Imagine an item has an 8.5% sales tax, and the item price is $50. The tax amount will be $4.25. To calculate this, you find 8.5% of $50, which is 0.085 times $50, giving you a tax of $4.25. The total cost is $50 plus $4.25, which equals $54.25. Let's look at grades. Suppose you got 85 questions correct out of 100 on a test. That means your grade is 85%. To calculate this, you divide 85 by 100, which equals 0.85. Then you multiply 0.85 by 100, giving you a grade of 85%. Here's a summary of what we've covered. Percentages help us calculate discounts to save money. They help us understand taxes and calculate additional costs. They also help us measure performance through grades and calculate tips to show appreciation. Percentages are used everywhere in daily life. Remember the basic formula. Part divided by whole times 100 equals percentage. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.